In this video, you'll learn how to make money selling Garbage Pail Kids trading cards. This guide will provide you with essential steps to identify valuable cards, enhance their appeal, and maximize your sales potential in the collectibles market. To begin, it is crucial to identify rare editions of Garbage Pail Kids cards. Start by researching first editions and limited print runs, as these often command higher prices. Additionally, look for graded cards, as they are evaluated by professional services and can significantly increase their market value. Use online resources, forums, and collector communities to gather insights on which cards are currently in demand. Next, focus on the condition and authenticity of the cards you wish to sell. It is important to provide clear images that showcase each card from multiple angles, allowing potential buyers to assess their quality. Include detailed descriptions of the card's condition, mentioning any wear or imperfections. Consider sending valuable cards for professional grading, as this can enhance their value and build trust with buyers who prioritize authenticity. After establishing the rarity and condition of your cards, think about bundling them strategically. Offering themed lots or complete sets can attract collectors who are interested in purchasing multiple cards at once. This approach not only increases the total sale value, but also makes it easier for collectors to find what they are looking for. Group cards by series, character, or rarity to create appealing bundles that stand out in listings. When it comes time to list your cards for sale, choose the right platform. Online marketplaces and auction sites are popular venues for trading cards. Ensure that you understand the fees associated with each platform, as they can impact your overall profit. Take the time to craft engaging listings that highlight the unique aspects of your cards, and make sure to include all relevant details to attract potential buyers. Finally, be prepared for the logistics of selling your cards. Consider the costs of shipping and choose appropriate packaging to ensure that the cards arrive safely. It's advisable to verify your available storage and organize your inventory for efficient handling. Keep in mind that larger orders may require more time and resources, so plan accordingly to maintain a smooth selling process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.